In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to edit the WooCommerce Checkout Page. The checkout page is where your customers complete their purchase, so keeping it clear, trustworthy, and on brand can make a real difference. We'll walk through opening the page, making edits with the WordPress editor, and saving your changes safely. First, open your WordPress website and head to your dashboard in your browser. From the main menu on the left, click Pages. This is where all of your site's static pages are listed. WooCommerce typically creates a checkout page automatically during setup, so you should see it by name. If you have many pages, use the search box at the top of the Pages screen to quickly find Checkout. Click the checkout page to open it for editing. You'll land in the editor, which shows the content and blocks that make up this page. The checkout form itself is usually a WooCommerce block that handles billing details, shipping, and payment. Treat that block as the core of the page and keep it intact so everything continues to function correctly. Now you're free to customize the page around that form. You can update headings, add explanatory text above the form to clarify shipping times or returns, and place reassurance elements below the form, like a short note about secure payments. Use the editor's sidebar to adjust typography, colors, spacing, and alignment so the page matches your brand. Keep readability in mind. Simple language, good contrast, and plenty of white space help customers complete the process without confusion. If you want to add new elements, click the plus icon to open the block inserter. This lets you drop in headings, paragraphs, images, separators, or layout blocks like columns. You can also insert WooCommerce-specific blocks if they're available in your setup. A helpful approach is to add trust signals, such as a small security note, accepted payment icons, or a brief satisfaction guarantee, either above or below the main checkout block. Avoid placing extra content inside the form area itself, as that can distract customers or interfere with the flow. As you work, keep an eye on how things look on mobile by switching the editor's preview to a smaller screen size, and keep the page fast by limiting large images or unnecessary elements. When you're happy with your updates, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. Your changes will go live, and you can visit the storefront to confirm everything looks and works as expected. That's it. Your WooCommerce checkout page is now polished and ready to convert.